Safe sleep is to protect your infant from dangers of choking or not being able to breathe, and SIDS, which is sudden infant death syndrome. 2,000 babies die from SIDS per year in the U.S. due to unsafe sleep practices. The major thing that we can do to prevent SIDS is place the infants back to sleep. This means placing the baby on its back for nap time and for bedtime. The March of Dimes and the American Academy of Pediatrics have given us some guidelines to help in the prevention of SIDS. 1. Place the infant on a firm mattress, no couch or soft bedding. 2. No pillows, quilts, or stuffed animals. Infants should be in a sleep sack. 3. Avoid keeping the room overly warm. 4. Do not smoke around the infant or have the infant around others who do smoke. 5. No co-bedding or bed sharing, but having the infant sleep in your room does decrease the risk of SIDS. 6. No bumper pads. 7. Breastfeeding can help reduce the risk of SIDS. 8. Giving your infant a pacifier when putting them down to sleep also helps. 9. Also to inform grandparents and older caregivers about back to sleep.